Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in the life sciences, pharmacy, nursing, or are a general graduate, listen up. Medical transcription and scribing could be your perfect work from home job. In this video, I'll share over 20 companies hiring right now. I'll cover salary, job roles, eligibility, and how to apply. Let's start now. First Acuity Solutions job role, medical scribe, transcriptionist. You will listen to doctor-patient conversation and type the medical summary. Salary, RS 18,000, RS 35,000 month experience, freshers, accepted eligibility, life science degree preferred, but any graduate with good English can apply, https://acuitysolutions.com/careers. Second, Acusis job role, medical transcription and editing. You convert medical dictations into formatted reports. Salary, RS 18,000, RS 50,000 month depending on accuracy. Experience, freshers can join training program. Eligibility, good listening plus typing skills. Apply, https://www.acusis.com/careers. Third, nuance job role, clinical documentation specialist. This is transcription plus a report formatting. Salary, RS 20,000, RS 45,000 month experience. Not mandatory. Eligibility, basic medical terminology. Knowledge apply, https://careers.nuance.com. Fourth, iMedX. Job role, medical transcription. Associate, you type doctor dictations into EHR reports. Salary, RS 20,000, RS 40,000 month experience. Training provided, apply. https://imedx.com careers. Fifth, Scribey job role, general and medical transcription. Perfect for beginners. Salary, $5.25 per audio hour. Experience, no experience needed. Apply. https://scribee.com. Sixth, Go Transcript. Job role, freelance transcription, you choose your own projects. Salary, 0.60 per audio minute. Either RS 2000, RS 4000 per hour audio. Eligibility, good English, apply. https://joetranscript.com. Seventh, Rev job role, medical transcription. Salary, 0 to 30, RAR 10 per audio minute. Experience, beginner accepted after test. Apply, https://www.rav.com freelancers. Eighth, Doctor Scribe, job role, virtual medical scribe, live documentation during doctor calls. Salary, RS 18,000, RS 45,000, month eligibility, BSc Nursing, B-Pharm, MLT, BSc Life Science. Apply, https://doctorscribe.com. Ninth, Access, healthcare job role, medical documentation analyst. Salary, RS 22,000, RS 50,000, month eligibility, any medical or life science background. Apply, https://www.accesshealthcare.com careers. 10th, Falcon Healthcare, job role, medical scribe. You assist U.S. doctors by writing patient charts. Salary, RS 25,000, RS 50,000, month experience. Freshers accepted. Apply, https://falconhealthcare.com careers. 11th, at Clinical Works, job role, healthcare documentation specialist. Salary, RS 22,000, RS 55,000 month eligibility, any graduate with English fluency. Apply, http://www.eclinicalworks.com careers. 12th, Cactus Communications, job role, medical writer plus transcription. Salary, RS 25,000, RS 6,000 month eligibility, biology or pharma background. Recommended, apply, https://careers.cactusglobal.com. 13th, Athrion job role, medical and legal transcription. Salary, pay per line, transcribed experience. Beginner friendly. Apply, https://www.athrion.com careers. 14th, FinThrive, NT Thrive, job role, medical transcription. Analyst, salary, RS 25,000, RS 60,000 month apply. https or www.finthrive.com. Careers and last no, 15. Tata. 1 Jamilikan. Occasional scribe openings. Check careers page regularly. Salary, Rs 18,000, Rs 35,000, month apply. HTTPs. Come careers. So these were the 15 plus medical transcription work from home jobs that you can start even if you are a beginner. If you want, I can also make a video on how to learn transcription skills and a step-by-step training guide. If you want a video on how to learn transcription skills, just comment yes training below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching.